Gentlemen, a big round of applause, please, for our marker of recognition.
One of these plaques will go in each country of the new 7 Wonders of Nature, on location and in the capital city. The result of the New 7 Wonders of Nature reveal the active participation of the citizens in their countries and supporters all over the world. The competition was lively and fair, and to have made it into the canon of 7 is a great success for the 15 countries that now host the New 7 Wonders of Nature. From its inception, my goal was to bring inspiration and to create motivation and participation on themes that everyone on our planet can understand, themes that have real and lasting value. Participation is the very basis for a growing and developing society and for any form of democratic process, as the Philippines has already shown the world 26 years ago. With this official recognition and inauguration, Puerto Princesa Underground River is now becoming part of global memory. At the beginning of the 3rd millennium, 7 things that everyone on our planet can and will remember. Developing and growing this global memory is the future engagement of New 7 Wonders, together with the winning countries. I wish everyone a joyful celebration as I hereby officially inaugurate Puerto Princesa Underground River as one of the world's new 7 Wonders of Nature. Mabuhay!
DOT Secretary Ramon Jimenez, and
good evening, please sit down. Excellencies of the diplomatic corps present, Secretary Ramon Pai, Secretary Mon Jimenez, Secretary Jason Bredo, Secretary Sonny Coloma, and Secretaries Tati Licuana and Joel Nakamura. Of course, Mayor Edward Hagedorn, Mayor Tony Calixto, Mayor Alfredo Lim, Mr. Bernard Weber, delegates from the other winning countries of the New 7 Wonders of Nature, other local government officials present, fellow workers in government, honored guests, mga minamahal ko pong kababayan, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat.
thank you.
The Puerto Princesa Underground River is the pride of Palawan, and now it is the pride of the world because it has officially been named one of the New 7 Wonders of Nature. I am especially proud to be here because this is, after all, a collective success. In the face of tremendous competition, when we got to the finalist round, there were 27 other finalists and millions of other voters from all over the world. We pulled together and once again put the Philippines on the map. Who campaigned for the PPU are tired.
The new slogan of the Department of Tourism, "It's More Fun in the Philippines," aimed to promote the country as one of the top destinations in Asia. And one of the reasons why it's more fun in the Philippines is a visit to Puerto Princesa, an urban center nestled in lush forests and beautiful beaches. As the capital of Palawan, Puerto Princesa is a key destination known for its recognition to the country, but has made the Philippines more fun to experience.